Ako ang boss. Lakewood is on the outside, followed by Daman Surya, then followed over by Scarlet Minstrel, and Idol Borong is the early trailer as they rounded the last 450. Hot Commodity now takes command from the outside. Leonora's best by the rail, running on the outside. Lakewood, ako ang boss, Daman Surya, Scarlet Minstrel, and Idol Borong. And down the stretch and nearing the finish line. Hot Commodity by about 3 lengths. Leonora's best in second. And finally, Hot Commodity. Leonora's best. Ako ang boss, Lakewood, Daman Surya. Then comes Scarlet Minstrel.
6547832. Yon ang